What's going on, good people? E-Bibs here, Mr. Remote Life. So we are back at the client location because we are doing part 2 of this room rebuild. So this time we're going to work inside that room. We're going to change up the flow a little bit. They got like a kind of a, you're bumping into each other. The workflow isn't as conducive for the space. So I'm going to do some rearranging of the equipment, rearranging of the desk, and just make it a little more easy for multiple people to work in that space. So come along, let's get it done. Okay, so here's one of those reasons. Remember in the last video I said we always have stuff changing. Originally, I was coming in to mount this in-ear system rack out there and kind of reconfigure this, but we moved our Pro Presenter back here. That changed some things, and now we got people running cables across the floor. So the work I just undid, people are redoing it all over again. So this is going to go into a 2-part series, or basically a double multi-day, because I got to clean all this up. This is driving me nuts, and I'm going to put you guys on time lapse because it's hot in here, and I'm going to turn on that AC unit over there. So it's going to get loud, and this is probably going to be the last time I talk till we come back from a time lapse. So let's do it. All right, guys. So we actually need to cut into this video. I made a boo-boo. If you just look at this last scene here, we see my hand go on the camera. This camera here. Yeah, I accidentally hit the record button. So it stopped the whole time lapse, and then it didn't pick back up until I noticed when I moved the camera, after it was basically time to move the empty rack, because I unracked all the in-ear stuff, fixed all the other stuff that was in the rack that was hanging out of the rack without screws. So my bad, but we're here editing this, so this video will be a lot shorter and it'll go up a lot quicker. So things happen, man. You're trying to get stuff done and then you're recording at the same time. So I hope you like the setup, because this is going to be the new way I'm recording. So look for more stuff coming your way. I got some AI stuff I want to talk about because I've been working in that. So let's go back to this video. Let's do it. All right, so we are all patched in. Where am I at? Here, got my ears in. Got them all cleaned up, looking good. Got them all patched in, all cleaned up. We all tidied up. Let you see the front. I'll go around. All right, so here's the ear rack. We got them all labeled, all in, all clean and nice. Ain't it so pretty? So, all right, so that's it for today, because I made a promise to my wife that I won't be here all night. And if you know anything about being married, you want to keep your promises to your wife. So we're going to do that room cleanup on another day, because I had to do all this and fix some stuff. But till next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked it. It's another day. E-Bibs, Mr. Remote Life, doing that AV smart stuff. So until next time, we are doing the things we love, loving things that we do. We are out of here. Peace.